May the peace of the Lord be with this compound. Last afternoon, sir.
Pastor, how are you?
Fine.
You're welcome. You want to minister?
Yes, sir. You know, say the kingdom of heaven is at hand. In fact, you don't come rich now.
Really?
Yes, sir. I beg, was Madam inside?
Yeah, she should be.
Madam!
Pastor, you're here.
Last to know,
Welcome, Pastor. God bless you.
Thank you.
Come inside.
Okay. Okay, wouldn't you listen?
No, I'm busy now. Maybe someone else.
Yeah. I beg, try great chance for Bible because it's, in fact, the world is very dangerous. Last afternoon, sir. Okay.
Hello, I'm coming. Just give me like 5 minutes. Man of God.
Yes, sir. I beg the kingdom of heaven don't come rich now.
Yeah.
I need to save Madam's soul. She there?
She's inside. I'm coming, okay?
Pastor, you're welcome.
Thank you, madam.
Come inside. Only bye-bye.
Take care.
Come inside.
You can take me for the whole village will see two of you. Shameless woman! You are using the name of God in vain. The kingdom of God is
You walk towards me, it's paining me now.
neighbors!
Temper.
Hey, don't let me touch you.
Please, temper justice.
Come on, look at you. The two of you have been doing nonsense in my house. You come here, the kingdom of God is at that. No wonder anytime you come, my wife will always come out to welcome you.
Okay, not be a tangle.
Let me call the native doctor. Village! Oh, there's nobody in the compound. You guys are going out.
You push.
Hey. You are still doing it in front of me.
So my son, what brings you to the shrine of Ibedugugu?
Baba, it's over 4 months now. Anytime I touch my wife, she will say that she's not in the mood. My wife don't used to be like that. She always call lady every day, every night. But it's obvious that she does not even want me to touch her. I'm thinking that there is a man that is my wife. So I want to know.
You want to know?
Yes.
If a man is your wife?
Yes.
That's the simplest thing for Ibedugu to do. My son, take.
Baba, this is just an egg.
When you get to your house, you break it inside your house. Once you break it, any man that has been your wife, we join together. Immediately, you call me, then I'll tell you what to do.
So, Baba, if I break this egg,
bam! Everything will be revealed.
Any man that my wife,
Bam!
we join together.
Big M.
I know what. I know.
Call me immediately.
I know. I'll call you. I will catch the thief. That's still.
That's a little thing for Ibedugugu. Go!
I'm coming
and testify.
You want to be
Let me call the native doctor. He must be here. Don't touch me.
You push now. Yeah!
Hey. Hello. Yes. It's Chief. I want to talk with Baba. Yes. Baba. What? Baba is dead.
Hey!
No, Baba gave me a chance to use and catch the man that has been sleeping with my wife.
Oh, God has punished me. No. God has
So
punished
nobody
me.
will be able to give me. Who will solve this? There is no solution.
Oh, God has punished me.
So there is no solution again. They will be like this forever.
Hey!
Okay.
Please, I don't want
There is
to
no
be
problem.
like this.
They will walk like this.
Oh.
They will take their shame outside.
Oh.
You know what? The bad news is that I've got 2 people. 2 people, you, Pastor. And the good news is that Pastor, the native doctor, is dead.
Hey!
The good news is that you will be like this forever.
Hey!
I am not in the mood.
You will be in the mood because you would have continued with your pastor work. You decided to join fornication and do the work of God. How can we be like this for the past 90 years?
Exactly. Sorry,
Hey, come on,
Easy,
what do you want to do?
easy.
There's no pleasure again.
Oh,